This is Mamutas and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we will going to solve this problem. In this problem, we can say this is the isometric view, and this is the top view, and this is the front view, and this is the, we can see it is the right side view. In here, we will start drawing from the top view. First, we will draw a square of 127 and 127 unit. Let's get started. Select the top plane, select sketch. Now select the center rectangle and now draw a rectangle of 127 by 127. Now here we can see that it has a extrude boss of 114.3. Now go to features and extrude boss 114.3. Okay, now we can see that there is a cut. It is now a triangular shape, but we have drawn a square shape. Now make this triangular shape, which is 12.7 distance from here and 12.7 distance from here, and then cut this line. So we select this face, then sketch, then select line and point this line to in these two edges. Now go to smart dimension of distance 12.7, and also dimension this distance from bottom 12.7. Now close the boundaries. Now select line and close the boundaries. Okay, now we'll extrude cut this part. Go to features, extrude cut, and through all. Okay, now we can see that in every place we have 12.7 unit of distance, so we can use the shell features. Now go to shell features and give dimension of 12.7 and select this page and show preview. Okay, but our shape is quite similar, but we have some extra part, this part and this part. Now remove this part. Okay, now first this face and select sketch. Now convert entities. Okay, now go to features and extrude cut. Similar way, also remove this part. Go select this part and select sketch and convert this entity, and now go to features and extrude cut. Okay, now our shape is quite similar to this, but now we have to do the holes, which is 12.7 diameter. First we will draw the horizontal plane. We can now select the sketch and draw a circle which is 12.7 unit diameter, and we can see it has a distance of 101.6. now dimension it 101.6. okay, you can see that here we has apart. How much distance? We can see the both are 25.4 uniform center. Now we'll do this again. Go to smart dimension and select this origin and select this and dimension it 25.4. now we will mirror the other hole. Now draw a center line, then go to mirror entities, select the circle and mirror about this line. Okay, now go to features and extrude cut this. Okay, similar way we also draw these two holes. Select the plane, now select circle and dimension it 12.7. then go to smart dimension and it has height of 88.9 from bottom, 88.9, and distance from center 25.4. Similar way, again select center line. Okay, now we will mirror this, mirror entities, select the circle and mirror about this point. Okay, now go to features and extrude cut this. Now we have finished our part. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.